How's it going, everyone? So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to crack your knuckles for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So cracking your knuckles, you guys, it's pretty easy to do. Here's the thing that you have to understand about cracking your knuckles though. Everyone is going to be different in how they crack their knuckles. Some people, and here's the biggest thing that people don't understand, is that some people, when they crack their knuckles, they can touch their knuckles any which way they want, and you'll hear crack, 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 crack. They have certain genetics, you guys. I can do the exact same thing with my legs when I'm laying in bed. I can crack them very easily. If I try to do that with my knuckles, my elbows, my knees, not the same thing. But my legs, my feet, I can crack them very easy. So you have to realize that if you're cracking your knuckles, you don't hear all the sounds. You're still cracking them. You're still getting the benefits of releasing the tension in your hands, releasing the pressure. You just can't really hear it as good as everyone else. Trust me, I have seen a lot of crazy knuckle crackers that they'll just simply touch their hands and crack, 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 crack. So it's kind of cool to see. A lot of people, they can't do it. So let's go over it now. What I like to do, the main thing when I first start cracking my knuckles, is grab your hands like so, make a straight line with your hands, and then what I like to do is I just like to press back a little bit. This gets the tension ready, and it kind of just loosens up your knuckles. So once you do this, again, just do it very lightly. So once you do this, now you're gonna crack them. And you just hear that, you hear that crack? Right there, cracked it again. Again, my knuckles, you're not going to hear any fancy cracking the whole time. Again, to relieve pressure in my hands, and sometimes I get this when I'm typing, I'm doing my YouTube, I'm doing my videos, I'm coming up with new topics. I'm typing lots, you guys, because I do type out a lot. My hands, I will feel the tension in them, and I do need to crack them. So again, I'll warm them up like so. You can kind of feel just a little pressure, a little tension, and then I'll just simply go like this. And again, you didn't hear any cracking, but again, it still feels extremely good. And I need to do this because again, it gets the tension, it gets the pressure. So again, we'll do it with the other hand now. And again, just really loosen up your knuckles, your fingers, and just simply do this, get them all loosened up, and then crack them. Right there, you hear that crack? Right there, another crack. And just go around your hands and just slowly keep doing this. And again, it feels so good when you do that. Now, a lot of people, when they'll do it, they'll just simply go like this. I don't like doing that. I like starting off by warming them up, getting that tension built up, and then just loosening them out. In my opinion, by doing this, rubbing around the knuckles and then cracking, you actually hear the crack, and it feels much better when you do it like that. But again, when you're doing it, you don't hear any cracks. Don't push too hard. Just very lightly do it. You don't need to push too hard. You push too hard, you can actually hurt your knuckles. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.